Hi there, this is Jyoti, and in this video, I'll be giving my feedback about the internship program with Unified Mentor. So, I had chosen a 2 month internship program with web development. So, the first month was my learning period where I had access to many resources that Unified Mentor has provided to me with learning many skills such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Angular, Vue, React, and so much more. And in for the first 30 days, I had access to all these resources where I learned many things. And the second month was where I was supposed to work on my projects. I had done 6 projects where 4 of them were basic projects and 2 of them were advanced projects. So the resources which Unified Mentor has provided to me were very helpful in this completion of these 6 projects. I would like to thank Unified Mentor for giving me this opportunity to work with them and help me gain my skills. Thank you.